Hi, I'm Dr. Wadsworth here at Uintah Spinal Health, and I'm going to give you a golf warm-up with the band and the lacrosse ball that you just got, and how to use them to warm your body up to be ready for golf. So what you want to do is you're going to tie that band to anchor something. You can tie it to the golf cart, or if you're in your room or at your house, tie it to something that's about mid-height. We'll first go through just a core activation peel-off press. Feet shoulder width apart, hold that band to you. You're going to press that band away from you and hold for count to 5 to 8 and back. To challenge yourself, put your feet together and just challenge yourself so it doesn't pull you back. And repeat that multiple times, back and forth, like that. So there's a core activation, peel-off press. Then we're going to a row. We're going to stand. You're going to stand facing the anchor, split stance, left hand holding the band, right foot forward. Get an athletic posture, and you're going to pull to you and kind of turn your torso to the left, back and forth. And you can do just activate the rotation as your arms pulling, and obviously switch sides, back and forth. Okay, and we'll do a press, similar thing, hand in the right band, right hand in the right band in the right hand, left foot forward, athletic posture, and push. So I feel like you're athletic. And push it that way, switch sides. Doing each thing about 5 to 8 times each rep. Then we'll do athletic step and push. So stand here, feet together, stand athletic. Then you're going to step to your left and turn and press this way. Okay? Turn, press. Really good. Right-handed golfers, right hand is acting that golf swing. Transition. Do the other side just to even everything out. We're going to activate that shoulder stability and shoulder rotation. You stand facing the anchor, so nice and tall. Pull this elbow to your side, but nice and level with the shoulder, and then try to turn that arm up just to activate the shoulder stability. Back and forth. If you're having shoulder problems, avoid this and get some treatment on it. Okay, and then do the other side. So straight ahead, pull straight, and then rotate your hand back. Then work on that downwards transition. If you have a place to anchor the band up high, or anchor it up there, you're doing that golf stance, you're going to turn your hand up, and then transition your body into that downswing to impact. You can turn down and just hold down like that. Now we'll get some lower body activation. We'll get some squats with this. Band, you'll just step on it to give you some resistance. You can do a goblet squat with this. We're going to hold the band up high and just squat down, back up. Okay. If you want to just do a front squat or just put your arms like this, multiple ways you can do it like that. Okay. Then you go to a lift, a rotation lift. Starts with some transition. Get right-handed golfers, you can do this way, where you hand in the right hand or band in the right hand, standing on the band, you'll squat down and then turn, press up for some transition and rotation, pivoting around your left leg. And do the other side as well. Now with the lacrosse ball, we can use this at your house, or you can do this beforehand before you get there. It's great to do it beforehand or after you do the banded work. Either way, but you want to use this to help loosen up the muscles, the tight knots that you have behind the shoulder, behind the spine, and behind your hips. I'll show you how to do that. All you need is you and something to press against, so a wall. You put this up against you, the back of your shoulder and the wall. You just try to explore the back part of your shoulder, find a tight muscle there, and then you'll try to stretch it out with some arm movements. You can do little circles, or we really like to move that arm across from you to stretch that out. Go across and work the back part of that shoulder. Then you get to the spine. I like to put that right between your shoulder blade and the spine. There's that little alleyway right there. You can try to explore up and down. If you find a tender spot, you can do some little arm circles, both directions. Stretch that arm across from you to stretch the muscles between the shoulder blade and the spine. If there's a tightness in the spine, then you can just go up and down and try to bend your spine over it just to mobilize that upper spine in the thoracic spine that way. And then do the same thing to the other side as well. The glute, same thing. So between you and the wall, find right behind the hip. You have this hip bone like your belt line, trying to just below that. And you'll find that I've put my right leg angle up on my knee here, in this figure 4 position. And then you find the spot, and you can lean into it when bending down as much as you can, and just kind of work loosening it up, releasing the muscle there. And I like to get some movement involved with it, so knee up and down to work movement along that. You do that against the wall, both right and left side, or you get to the floor, put this on the floor, same thing, lean into it, leg up on your other knee, find some spots, and really try to pressure on it as you release and move around, and get some knee movement up and down with that to help release the muscle. So those are some great things to do with these stuff you have to help activate your body to be ready to play a great round.